Ever wonder how kids are punished around the world? Let's find out. In the USA, punishment is usually called no hitting. Kids get timeouts or their phone and games are taken away. Mostly, parents just talk. In many African families, kids are given extra work as punishment, and elders sits with them to explain their mistakes. In Asia, parents may get angry for a while. Kids lose favorite food, gaming, or phone timing. Plus, they get a short lecture. In Europe, talking and reasoning is common. Some kids lose privileges like TV or outings for a short time. In Arabic countries, kids face strict talks, extra chores, or temporary limits on games and TV. Respect and family honor are emphasized. Different rules, same lesson. Behave well. Which punishment did you get the most from your parent? Comment below.